Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Family. Today we are going to see about most asked interview question in foreign key. Let's see. So what is the question means? Can we drop or delete foreign key in a table? Yes, we have option. There are two types of option will be there. One is using drop command. Otherwise we can disable constraint, foreign key constraint. So let's see one by one. So now I have two tables, supplier table and product table. Supplier table having three columns, supplier ID, supplier name and contact name, and product table having two columns, supplier ID and product ID. So now I'm going to create foreign key for product table supplier id, that is a child table, that is referencing to supplier table supplier id, that is parent table. So now I'm going to create a foreign key relationship between both tables. Now foreign key is created and the foreign key name is fk underscore key. Now I'm going to drop foreign key fk underscore key. Now I'm going to execute. First I'm going to insert a record. That record is not exist in parent table. Okay, so now I'm showing a parent table. What are the record will be present? So parent table supplier ID is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to insert product table 7, 9. So it's saying integrity constraint because violating parent child relationship. So now I'm going to drop constraint. Now table altered. Now I'm going to insert same record. Now system inserted, allowed to insert it. Let's see what are the records are showing stored in the product table. See, seventh one is inserted 7, 9. This is the one way to drop the foreign key. Now I'm going to explain second way. Now I'm drop this. Already I dropped the foreign key. Now I'm going to delete this record. So now 7, 9. Product ID 7. Record edited. Now we can see what is the product table. There are only three records. One, 4. One is null. Okay. Now I'm going to explain second option, how to disable and how to enable that constraint. So now I'm going to create a same constraint. So constraint is created. Now I'm going to insert the record means system will not allow because this record is not presented. So it's saying integrity constraint. Now I'm going to disable the constraint using alter statement, alter table products, disable constraint and constraint name. So now table is altered. Now I am going to insert this record. So rows are inserted. Now I am going to check what are the records are present in the product table. So now see 7, 9 is inserted. Now I am going to enable. So if I can disable the constraint means we can option to enable the constraint. So I am using enable constraint, but system will not accept because the parent child constraints violation cannot validate the parent key not found in the parent table. So how to enable the parent, how to enable that constraint? We have option called no validate. This is called no validate. So we can alter the statement. So alter table product enable no validate constraint and f constraining. So now I am going to execute this statement. It will allow. See table altered without any validation. Now again I am going to insert the record 8, 8. System will validate. See integrity constraint error is coming. Now let's check what are the records are presented in the product. See 7, 9 still it exists. What is no validate is doing means it will skip whatever record inserted before disable. So say that record will be presented in the table, child table. For going to new record, if the table is receiving new record, that time it will validate that record is presented in the parent table or parent table. For old record, it will not validate. It will keep it as a existing record. That's it. This is most important question. Thanks for joining session. Please join. Please subscribe our channel to get more information like this kind of interview questions. Thank you all. Bye.